Okay, so, that looks good. Okay, so, like I said, this paper right here, we're doing together. So let us do this together. Numbers 1 and 2, I just have a regular multi-step equation, okay? Simple, okay? What do I mean by this? Well, number one is negative m plus 3 minus m equal to 15, right?
Mr. Conner,
What's up?
Yeah, one of those.
Yeah. It's high. You ain't give him one. You like, I see how it is. So, everybody has one though, right? Cool? Only person who shouldn't is Sloan. Okay, so, what's the first thing that we do?
Run like terms.
Combine our like terms. It's that easy, right? I mean, it's very easy. Don't worry, it's gonna get harder. So, negative and a negative, right? Same sign. Sum. Thank you. Same sign, sum. Also known as add, okay? Also known as add. Please understand this. Miss Pease, you look bored.
No.
Oh, okay.
Wait, you forgot to put the one.
I know.
You forgot to put the one between negative and you're supposed to put.
I mean, you could put a 1 right there.
No, but you need it because you're gonna add it or subtract it with the.
Okay, so let's put a 1 right there. So,
You're gonna combine.
same side sum. I mean, granted, the one is invisible, but you make sense. You're gonna combine like terms. So what's negative 1 minus 1?
Negative 0. Negative 2.
Negative 2. You just said same sign sum.
Oh my God,
Okay.
I'm not doing this.
And
4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay? Negative 4 minus 5 is equal to a negative 9. Same sign sum. Okay? Be careful. I know. So therefore we have, what's negative 1m minus 1m?
Negative 2m.
There you go. Negative 2m plus 3.
Now we subtract that number to the 3.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever you do to the other, one side, you do to the other.
Now, for those of you who still, are struggling with the sides, you can always just draw that line down the center, okay? Draw that line down the center so that you can see, okay, this is one side, this is another side, okay?
Now
They cancel out. Negative 2m
now
is equal
we're
to,
multiplying, that means dividing, because now we're dividing by negative 2. And
what's 15 minus 3? Say it loud. 12.
That's 12, it's negative 6.
We divide the negative 2 on both sides.
Negative
M is equal to
negative 6.
negative 6, okay? Also, I have your answers on the back sheet of this paper, just in case, on the back, right here. You had worksheets like this before?
No.
I was all online.
Oh, well. Now you get to be taught. Yay! Any questions? Cool.
Yeah, I do. We should do number 3.
We are going to do number 3.
How about number 2?
Number
No.
2 is easy. What are you talking about?
3. I'm going to be doing all the odd numbers.
I know what to do on this one. You take whatever to the other side and put it on the
3
Yep.
plus 3. Instead of k, I'm going to use x. Plus 8 is equal to 10 plus x minus 7 plus x.
So,
Okay?
shut the two, right? You
My
combine
gosh.
them, and then you have those two, right?
So,
You combine those.
I'm
That
gonna
makes more confusing.
I'm gonna draw my line down the center, separate my two sides, right? If you have more than two terms on either side, you are going to be combining your like terms, okay? It's that simple. So, what are our two like terms over here?
No, we don't do nothing to that.
Really?
No, aren't we supposed to do the two right?
Miss Howell, say it louder.
What?
I thought you just said something. Or was it Mr. U?
Added 3. We both did.
What? The 8 and 3.
Good job. 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Now on this side, what are our two like terms?
1x and 1x.
1x and 1x. What are the other two like terms?
10 and 7.
10 and
Negative 7.
10 and negative 7, okay? Be careful. Take your time.
Wait, aren't you supposed to like the two x's, right? You combine those, right?
Yes.
And then, well, once you have like one x on the other side and the other x on that side, then you combine those together, and then you pick what side you want, right?
Yes, so to speak. So, yes.
Can I please use the bathroom?
Hurry up.
Thank you, Mr. Carter.
Oh, you're welcome. So, 3 plus 8 is what? 11. So we got 3x plus 11 is equal to, what is 10 minus 7?
Oh, number 3.
3. What is x plus x?
2.
Huh?
2x.
2x. Is that a positive or a negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay? Now we're down to only two terms. Okay? Cool?
Cool. We solved for.
So, theoretically speaking, you have a variable on either side. I like to read this from left to right. So what I would do, what I like to do, I like to put my x over to the left side. Me personally. Now, for those of you who are used to just putting the x on whatever side that you want, that's fine.
It's
Okay?
5x plus 11, and on the other side it's 3.
Why would it be 5x?
Because the 2x and the 3x are combining.
You're combining like terms?
No, because didn't you say before it's only add and minus?
Yes, but are they on the same side?
No.
Ah, they're on different sides. So how are you going to get this 2x to that side where the 3x is at?
You have to. Oh.
Ah,
You have
be careful. Thank you for doing that though, because that explains why to those kids at home, okay? These x's are on different sides, okay? You have two sides right here. And a couple of y'all might be thinking this. A couple of the kids at home might be thinking this, okay? Hey, we have two x's, therefore we could combine like terms. But because they're on different sides, you have to switch them to the other side, just how you do a regular number. So, what kind of 2x is that?
that's a multiplication.
What kind of 2x is it?
Positive.
It's a positive. What's the opposite of a positive 2x?
Negative.
Negative.
But isn't the x and
What you do on one side, you must. Do you subtract the 2x from this 11?
No, you do it from the 3x. And,
Yes.
and that's going to get you 1x
Okay? So we have 1x.
plus 11, and on the other side it's
Equals-
going to equal 3.
Yes.
And then you minus that 11. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. And that should be 7? Negative 7.
Negative.
Yeah, negative 7.
No.
No? And negative 8.
Yeah.
Negative 8.
Oh, okay.
Bring down the x equal to negative 8.
Yeah.
Okay? Take your time. Take your time. Okay? Slow and steady wins the race. move fast, you make fast mistakes, okay? Just smooth sail. It's not gonna run away from any of y'all, I promise you. It's not. Okay. That's 3 and 4, looking like that. 5 all the way up to 12, you're dealing with distribution, okay?
In number 7, you have to do the same thing.
Yeah, like I said, 5 all the way up to 12, you're dealing with just the distributive property. Now, 5 and 6, you're only getting introduced to the distributive property. You're not going to be combining like terms, okay? You're not. But 7 through 12, you're going to be distributing and combining like terms, okay? So just be aware, okay? So, let's do 5. -7, -8x plus 6 is equal to -378. Okay? This is where y'all's fingers and toes come into play. Whew. Remember the little rainbow I told you all to do, all right? Rainbow. Boom. Boom. Okay? Remember this. Take your time. -7 times a -8 is equal to?
Positive.
Positive.
56.
Thank you. Good job. 56. X. -7 times a positive 6 is equal to?
-42.
-42. Equal to a -378. Okay? Get that 56x by itself. What will we do, Miss Howell? Oh, okay. Berkshire, help her out.
Add 42.
Add 42. Okay? Obviously, you're going to be taking the difference right here because we have different signs. Okay? Different signs, take the difference. Same sign add, same sign sum.
It's going to be a negative.
Yes, it will. Yes.
-336.
Good job. 56x is equal to a -336. Okay?
Now we divide.
Now we divide.
Because the 56 is multiplied with x. Because whatever you do to one side,
Yes.
so x is equal a negative.
Now, I know a couple of y'all might be looking on the back of y'all's paper. And you're like, okay, well, which one is this? Well, easiest way to look at this, clearly, 6 goes into 36. How many times?
6.
6 times.
It's negative
7. Right?
7 times 6 is 42. 6 goes into 36 how many times? 6 times. So, I would chance to say that our answer is, what do you think?
-6.
There you go, because negative divided by positive is a
Negative.
negative. It's pretty straightforward, okay? -6. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
No, I hate that song. That song.